Good day, everyone. We're back for another garage session. It's been a while since the last episode. We are 9 months into this global pandemic, and here we are going to continue with the Hilux build. Hopefully next year we'll be able to do some trips. But for today's episode, we'll be installing another ARB awning, a short one. We're gonna put it at the back of the truck. Kind of serves our future kitchen. Alright, so join us in this episode. It's going to be a quick install, and then hopefully we'll be able to come up with a quick walk around in terms of the Project Maximus, the Hilux build. Alright, so again, this is going to be a fairly quick install. I just want to show you what we're going to be doing here and what are the tools that we need. Okay, so first we need a 13mm wrench. Some socket, perhaps we'll also be needing some Allen wrench, and then to install the awning. So I'm using a Frontrunner roof rack system, right? So shout out to Alex Perez and Frontrunner Philippines. Thank you for taking care of the Frontrunner stuff for me, and then also thanks to Buff and Grime, John D, for supporting the install and hooking me up with Frontrunner Philippines. Right, so this is the ARB 1.25 by 2100 awning, and then we will be using, of course, a Frontrunner awning bracket. So it comes with this hardware to install your awning on the side of the roof rack, and it also comes with the hardware. And just like with any Frontrunner items, basically when it's being packed in Southern Africa, it's signed by the bagger, right? So it just adds a little bit of personal touch there in terms of who prepared your Frontrunner items. So good job there, Frontrunner Philippines. Alright, so this should be a fairly quick install. We'll do some bolting right now, and then we'll show you the finished product later on. Alright, so I'll be opening the ARB awning. So this is the shortest awning you can get from ARB. Shout out to Gears Philippines. They're one of the official distributors of ARB products here in the Philippines. ARB always quality products. That's why I always use their most of their products, right? Not all, because when they release their ARB base rack, I'm already using Frontrunner, but yeah, and I prefer the Frontrunner roof rack system because it's just better, I think, in my opinion. The roof rack also comes with a bag of pegs and guy ropes, so that's what you get. So again, thanks Gears Philippines and ARB Philippines for these items. By the way, full disclaimer: these are not sponsored, these are not free. I bought this with my own money, right? So there's no bias review here or what. This is not a review actually, but I just want to tell you, I love their products. I bought it with my own money.
Again, the sponsor would be nice, no? But no, this is not a sponsored review. Yeah,
why not? I mean, if you guys want to sponsor us. Alright, so there we have it. Just finished installing the ARB 1250 by 2100 awning. That should help us, have some shade when we're in the camp. Technically, this will be our kitchen side. Okay, there. Once we finish the build for Project Maximus, we'll give you a quick
rundown,
quick overview or a quick rundown of the gears that we put in this Hilux. Alright, peace.